Now available at McCarthy Cars, the 2006 Volkswagen Golf 1.6 FSI SE in metallic grey finish with a 15-inch Volkswagen alloy wheels. It's got split folding rear seat and a luggage cover. It's got a grey velour interior with 5 headrests. It's got ISOFIX for child seat preparation, a center armrest, and for your safety it's got front, side and rear airbags. So in here it's got electric windows and mirrors. It's got lumbar support, automatic gearbox, the vehicle is on only 68,000 miles on the clock. So it's got ESP traction control, power steering wheel, ABS, air conditioning, it's got rear view dimming mirror, the radio CD player, This was the quick overview of the Volkswagen Golf. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call.